See if we got posse. Ah, it's breaking up. I told you it was, yeah, it doesn't have the curve or the fuel or something. Hey guys, today it's the next day. As you saw in the last video, we just brought this car home. Just picked it up. That was on a Saturday. Today's a Sunday. And we got it all cleaned up. Everything, it's looking a lot better than it was if you watched the other video. And in that video, I shown how the car was running, had no power. It was breaking up, backfiring. And I was saying in that video that I originally thought it was the something with the distributor, TPS, or something along those lines. Well, funny little thing is, just for the hell of it, last night, we unplugged the mass airflow sensor. Took the car for a ride, and you could tell the mass airflow was not hooked up. But the thing revved out and it had a ton of power. So, picked up a new mass airflow sensor at Advanced Auto today. And we're about to throw it in. And we'll take it for a ride, and hopefully she's fixed. So, what do we got here? We got these little, like, special threaded, whatever the hell you want to call these, safety nuts, tamper-proof nuts or bolts, whatever you want to call them. So he's digging that out right now. And, yeah, let's throw this TPS on and see what happens. We're going to go from there. So we'll be right back when we get organized here. So, hold on. All right, here we go. We got our, whatever these little sockets are called. What are they, E-sockets? No, I forget what they, who knows? Anyways.
Have the right size.
Ludi's ready to roll here. Yeah, we just got done painting my garage at home. We're all full of paint. All right. This looks like a pretty simple job, Ludi.
I don't know. I hope so.
Here goes can't lose them bolts.
You may have new ones inside.
Oh, okay. We'll find out. Man, if this fixes this car, dude, that was the easiest repair ever right there. You know, no burnouts out here today.
Too many people.
Well, yeah, too many people. A little kid sitting out there and his toy. What are those things used to be called? Big wheels.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that's pretty much what he's doing. For someone that's never did this before.
Oh, you see that junk fall out of there? It's probably all dirty.
Yeah, let's see this thing. That's what it looks like.
It's probably dirty. It's probably just dirty.
Like my father said, just spray it with some mass airflow
Cleaner,
and you're good to go. Did it come with the hardware?
Comes with the bit and everything.
Oh, even it came with the torque set or whatever it is.
Comes with everything.
Oh, because you got new bolts. You're not using the safety one anymore. These have the things with the.
I don't need this part.
The hole in the center.
Right.
To match the hole in the center of these. Always hated those. Those are don't make any sense.
Need this piece.
No, I think that just protected it. Let's see. That's an original.
The thing's blowing off. See it right there?
Oh yeah.
This one don't have it. See?
Wow, that kid lost all he'd. Oof. This is the original Ford one. It looks like.
Cleaner to spray it first.
It's missing a piece.
What is?
That one.
Yeah, that transistor blew out. I don't have anything to clean it. I don't have any cleaner.
There's no gasket or nothing that goes with that? No. CarQuest wouldn't let us down, right?
Fits in there funny. See if it's right.
Hold on, take the other one out. I'd say put the other one back in, see if it sits as high before we force this one down and fuck it up.
Oh no, it's in there. It didn't hit nothing.
Hold on, let me take the screws out of this one. I want to see how this one sits. See, that one goes right down.
Pull it back out. See, this one got O-rings on it.
Oh, there's an O-ring in here.
Oh, here it is. Yeah.
See? Yeah, see?
Take that ring with you.
Who's your boy? Who's your boy?
Good catch.
Yeah.
Good catch, catcher.
Yeah. There we go. Simple as that. A little O-ring, yeah. Would have ruined our day.
Yeah.
Tighten that shit. Nice. All right. Yeah, give me them fucking keys, man. I'll start this sucker up. Let's see. There we go. So, yeah, it's unlocked.
Wait, before you start, I want to check the oil.
Oh, yeah. We never really checked it. All right, so hold on one second here. There we go. We got any oil in this sucker? That's brand new. I'll do it again.
What, change it?
No.
See, this is a 93 badge up here.
Yeah? I mean, how did that Cobra emblem get fucked up like that?
Yeah, it's full.
He's full. But look at this,
It looks like they hit it with a grinder or something.
how does this happen?
Somebody painted this shit blue.
But who ground that down? How does that happen? I mean, who are you to do such a thing like that? I mean, how do you make a mistake like that?
They're probably trying to clean up the intake to paint it.
What'd they use? A grinding wheel on the freaking Cobra emblem?
But they don't know, you could take this off.
Smoking crack.
Hey, Gene, this back bolt on the, look at this.
What's that? Remember I said check the bolts on that? It's loose, yeah. All right, we're going to go through all the bolts on this before we start this up. She had a high idle too, but I was attributing it to that mass airflow. Oh, we didn't even plug it in.
Yeah, I'm going to plug it in.
Okay. So we'll be back in a second. Let us tighten this stuff up.
I seen this bolt loose.
All right, I'm back at it. We tightened these three. They all took some tightening, you know. A couple of these needed, this one and this one needed a few turns until it was tight. This just needed a snugging. But the problem here is we got looks like a spacer on here. And they're using the stock bolts here. And it's just, and you can see when I hold it up against it, it's just a little, it just goes into the hole and catches into the threads and the intake. But it's all we have, we just looked. So, there we go. Get that on there.
Steven got a motorcraft.
Oh, nice. Yeah, or it's like it's the, gotta run a tap through this. We gotta pull this intake off anyways to replace the valve cover gaskets. So we'll leave it like that for now.
Yeah, just leave it like that for now.
Yeah.
For now. We gotta get a longer bolt.
You get a bolt kit. We got the mass airflow plugged in. You ready to fire this sucker?
Yeah, start it up, see what happens.
Yeah, let's give it a go.
Should have bought some cleaner.
What kind of cleaner?
I've heard all that mass air spray.
Oh. Alright. Put this window down. This is the one that's off the track.
Go ahead.
Pull it back. It doesn't want to cooperate today with us. We'll just leave it. All right, let's take this out of gear. Ready? Yeah. There we go. What's that?
Go up with it. I'm trying to go down now.
There we go.
All right, stop it right there. Yeah,
All right. Let it warm up a second. I'll try revving it, and then if it revs, I think we're good. Oh, she runs good though. Only way to try it is to drive it. Hold on till we figure this out. I think you should let me drive.
Car don't leak nothing.
There you go, it's recording. Alrighty. It's still recording? Oh yeah. Alright, we're ready to go. Let's hope this thing. Gotta take it easy. Little kids everywhere here.
Yeah, get up on the main road.
Let her warm up a little bit. We still got a plate on this?
Yeah. That Jeep's backing out.
Ooh.
That girl.
Oh,
Welcome.
thank you. Yeah, we definitely got to fix this seat.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's way better. Just driving it like this, I could tell. Yeah, put a little temperature. Man, this freaking car rides so good. Yeah, these low mile Mustangs are nice.
Is he in the garage?
I didn't see him. We'll take a ride by in a minute. I didn't really hop on it.
We gotta see if it's gonna bog.
Oh yeah, she's running good.
Mm-hmm.
I'll turn around in the school.
Yeah. Go up into the school.
Alright.
Do a burnout.
Man, we gotta do a burnout. Get the gauges, man. The gauges will count on this. Man, this thing rides so freaking nice, dude.
As long as there's no popo up there.
We don't stop for police.
We're riding dirty.
Riding dirty, yo. Oh yeah, this thing runs good, man. I like the clutch pedal feel on this car.
It grabs nice.
Once I put that heavy clutch in mine, it's like
Yeah, it's...
I need to put a freaking boot on when I drive.
You're tired. Your leg gets tired. Just you should go down that way just to make sure there's no...
Yeah, we got kids parked there.
All right.
Smoking weed.
Yeah, they don't care. Just got to make sure nobody parked down here.
Yeah, this thing sounds good, man. We're doing a popo. Oh, this parking lot's good right here.
Yeah, but there's all those people down there.
Yeah.
So you're better off going up or...
They want to show, Luigi. They want to show.
Yeah.
They said there's a Cobra lurking around the grounds here.
It's the only white Cobra around, so... Gotta be careful. Yes, you do.
Fine.
Whoa, we're gonna blow the rear end.
Hey, we got four-wheel disc, Luigi. Stops on a dime.
But you see how it banged so hard in the rear?
Oh yeah, this thing's
It didn't
freaking
catch.
grabbing. I wonder if these years got IRS rear ends in them.
I don't know.
Independent rear. I forget.
No, I think it's got 8.8 back there. It's a 95. They're going up the out. Yeah. Oh, it's going straight. Anybody in those cars?
No, they're just parked here. We got some old people over here. We'll go back here. Here, I'll let you out right over here.
I hear the door chime dinging.
Alright. I'll turn around. Yeah.
gonna do that shit.
One more. Everything smell good?
Yeah, just gotta. They're fucking cops. What's he looking at us for?
He's looking at the Mustang. All right, guys, I think we're doing good here. We'll end this video. We'll say that. So the problem basically was a mass airflow sensor was no good on this car. So yeah, this thing pulls pretty good. I'm happy with this. I don't even think it needs a tune-up, to be honest with you.
No.
You
No,
know?
it doesn't. It looks like they changed the wires in the board.
Yeah, the cap rotor. And they didn't know. They were probably chasing something.
Yeah.
And I originally thought it was distributor curve too. So, but then again, it progressed because we did an hour drive all the way back from East Line, Connecticut to Milford. And it progressively got worse and worse as I drove. So, hey, let's go.
Riding C351.
Let's see if 351 mics around here.
Here's the truck. No, that's hear that dinging? It's a chime for the door chime.
Yeah, something's.
No, he's not out.
It's not here. All right, then. So we're gonna end this video here, and
that could be the reason why the battery's going dead in this car.
Oh, yeah. Now when the key's off, I didn't hear it. All right, then. So we're gonna end this video here. So that was a quick fix on this. Next is we gotta fix this chair, get the tracks fixed on it, because I'm wedged up against the dashboard here.
Yeah.
The chair's stuck all the way in close to the steering wheel position, almost all the way up, so it's kind of hard to drive. And there's just valve cover gaskets. Not really much this thing needs, and a little touch-up paint. So yeah, we'll see you guys later, and yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Bye-bye.